Morning, YouTube. Shouting out from Rapid City, South Dakota. It's your guy, Say Cool. Getting an early morning start. It's chilly this morning. It's gonna heat up real quick. This is the sunrise coming up. Get a little bit of tea. Get going. It's Thursday. Trying to see what the guys are working with. Harley, Indian. Honda from Washington. This is a very interesting setup right here. This guy never run out of fuel. Never. Another Harley, red Harley. Got the mountains in the background. There was cows grazing over there yesterday, but not today. Morning, sir. I'm good. Getting ready to roll early?
My son was still sleeping.
I hear you. I'm gonna go ahead and get in and get back warm, get geared up so I can get the rolling. Here in Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Helicopter rides going on. You definitely gonna get your steps in.
Okay.
So we're out and about. Not out and about. One of the most historic land sites in all of South Dakota.
ยืนหรือเก็บนะมาถือให้นี่คือคนแรกใช่ไหมนะ
Guess they have trails we could walk and get closer. To get down to the amphitheater, but I had a long day ahead of me. This is called the Presidential Trail, I guess. Depends on how far it is if I'll do it.
Moi j'ai pas trouvé le.
Just a half a mile, which isn't that bad. But it just takes you to the amphitheater. I'm out. See Mount Rushmore. I guess that's the work you see on the side is what they're gonna do with the Crazy Horse part. But hey, Sturgis weekend, man, it's a lovely thing. A lovely thing. Bikes, all types of bikes. So I'm going check out this memorial real quick. Keep it moving. So what year is your bike?
2016.
2016.
Yeah.
What's your name, my man?
RT.
RT. How you doing? Terrence. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tanner.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Atlanta.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I came up for the rally.
Yeah.
I see you out in Nebraska. You came up as well for the
Oh,
rally.
yeah, I've been up 30 times probably.
Okay.
I was starting to come up here when you were a kid.
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yeah, it's my first trip up here, so.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It'll be an eye-opening experience.
Yeah.
Everybody's pretty friendly. It's a pretty good time.
Yeah, good.
Just be careful. Are you riding?
Oh, yeah, most definitely. Most
Yeah.
definitely.
Just be careful because there's a lot of idiots,
Yeah, yeah.
you know?
With everything.
Yeah, well, that's with everything. You're right.
You always gotta be careful. I tell you, YouTube, these are a lifesaver for your GoPro Max. I dropped my camera. Lens is still good. The body's beat up, but hey, we're gonna make it do what it do.